to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith and here is Koki's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget-friendly account. And on today's amazing episode, I am privileged and so happy to tell you guys that I am introducing the third segment. Remember guys, we have Koki's Kitchen, we have Koki's Storytime, and now our third segment is Koki's Patisserie. On this segment, we are going to focus mainly on baking and pastries, and our first recipe for this segment is going to be marble cake. So, alright guys, onto our ingredients. With me here I have my weighing scale, then we have flour, I have sugar, we have baking powder, vanilla essence, I have some milk over here. Then I'm going to use 6 eggs. Then we have cocoa powder. Remember, we're doing marble cake. Then some margarine. This is Prestige. And right away, let's get into the first step. So the first step, guys, we are going to measure our sugar. We are going to use 200 grams of sugar. Then we are going to add in our bowl, like so. Then we are going to use 250 grams of Prestige margarine. Then I am going to add my margarine to my sugar, guys. So guys, at this point we are going to beat our mixture until light and fluffy. Is it puffy or fluffy? Yeah. So this is just the first step. So we are going to beat this until light and puffy or not fluffy. So guys, if you don't have a hand mixer, don't be worried on how you're going to do this recipe. You can just still use your whisk. So guys, the next step, we are going to measure our flour. We are going to use 400 grams. So 400. So those are my 6 eggs. Unfortunately, my camera went off, but guys, in this flour I added 1.5 tablespoons. Sorry guys, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we are going to add in a vanilla essence, just like 2 drops, 2 bottles, 2 drops. Then we are going to use, here for this recipe you can either use water or milk. So we are going to use 125 ml of milk, like so. You add in like that. And next, onto our paste, we are going to add double as we give it a nice mix. So when all is mixed nicely, we are going to sieve in our flour. So guys, since we are doing marble cake, I'm going to set aside some of this paste. And we're going to mix with cocoa, you know, we have to. So guys, we're going to add cocoa on this mixture that we've set aside. This looks good. So here's my baking tin. I'm going to grease it. So guys, the idea of marble is just to play around with how you're going to arrange it in your baking tin. I'm going to put my plain mixture there, then another mixture kando yake. So tunaenda tukizunguka hivyo, sawa? Yeah, that's how we attain marble. Yeah. So guys, this is how it looks. You are just going to now tap it when what will fanya, just to level it. Meanwhile, my oven has been preheating for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We are going to bake it still at 180 degrees for only 45 minutes. So you locate it and center it vizuri hivo, and you now set your timer for 45 minutes. Sawa? 45 minutes, and you let the magic happen. So guys, I had to add 15 more minutes. I baked the cake for 1 hour, and here is the final results. You guys can see. And so guys, as simple as that, I present to you our first segment of Koki's Patisserie marble cake home baked. I hope you have enjoyed, and you're definitely going to give it a try. From me to you guys, till next time, bye bye.